everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm kind of coming at you with a different kind of video today. It is currently, it's like 5:30 in the morning. Where's my phone? Let me show you. Can you see that? It's 5:30 in the morning. Very, very early. Because I'm actually going to a car boot sale. I used to go to these all the time as a kid. And I don't really go to them that much anymore, but I'm not just going to one, I'm having one to make some money. So that is the plan. I thought I'd just take you along with me because I feel like not a lot of people have actually been to one where I've grown up going to them. I feel like if you go, you either love them or hate them, and I actually think they're really underrated. So if you go, you never know what you can drop on. And I always like selling all my stuff there because I end up making quite a bit of money. So we'll see by the end of the day how much money I make and if I find any good bargains. My dream thing to find there would be a Playboy cushion. Every time I go there, I never look around, I just sell my stuff and make money. But this time I'm actually going to have a look around and see what I can find. So let's go. Okay, so we're here. And I've just set up all my stuff. I've got way too much stuff. Plus I've got given a bunch of stuff to sell. But loads of it's like Topshop and Adidas, like all down there. I just need to sort it out a bit more. The only thing about having car boot sales is like some people like absolutely hound you for lower prices. Like my mum really got aggravated with this guy because I won't tell them to go away. I'll just keep saying no. But he literally asked me about 7 times and I told him no, 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 and he would not leave me alone. My mum was like, can you go away please? She's a young girl trying to make some money and you're trying to hackle her. Just leave her alone, can you go away please? And that's what my mum said to him. But I've just not got the guts to do that at all. So my mum's just come back with a bunch of stuff. But look what she got me. How cool is this? And you like turn it on for £4. It's like a ring light with a disco ball, but I'm honestly just obsessed with a disco ball. I wanted a disco ball for the longest time and now I've got a little mini one. So cute, I love it. My mum and my nan have come back with all sorts of stuff. You know what my mum's like at Christmas? It's literally August and she's already buying Christmas ornaments again. You're lethal, you. And then I got this. They picked this up for me. I've not been round yet, I've just been selling. But I think I'm actually going to give it to my friend Hannah. I absolutely love it. But Hannah loves Hello Kitty way more than me. Like, I love Hello Kitty, but she adores Hello Kitty. So I do think I might give it her. Because I know she'd be made up with that. Guys, my heart is broken. My mum's gonna go, she's gonna say, alright, so we're now. But you'll never guess what she's just done. My Motel Rocks jeans. She's just sold them for £1. And also my Motel Rocks bottoms. The jeans were like 50 quid. Hit hard, not gonna lie. But I went looking around and I just bought a crystal. But I think because I'm selling, like, I don't really want to buy stuff because I just want to make money. But if I was to come here and not sell, I'd obviously want to spend money. So that's the rest of the clothes I've got left. I feel like I've cleared up pretty well. Like, there's loads of patches and I've just like spread the clothes out a bit. But my goal was to make like £80 and I've defo made more than that. So I'm very happy. And just like that, I am home. So I kind of got a few tales to tell you, but yeah, sorry the clips and that was so short at the car boot sale. Honestly, when I was there, I was just wanted to make money. Like that, I didn't even want to look round, like I just wanted to make money. I feel like I should redo this video, but not where I sell, where I go round looking and see if I find anything. But normally I don't really go round, but I might just go one time and go round. The coolest thing that my mum got me was defo the disco ball light with the ring light around it. That is so cool. I'll probably just take the disco ball off, but hey ho. Anyways, so someone actually ended up stealing from us. So there'll be like rush hours, you know, like in a little shop, and loads of people will come to your stall at once and they'll all be trying to pay you and you'll be trying to give them money and stuff, and they'll all be like asking how much this is, can I have a bag, da da da. And basically they were like, how much are the heels? And I said £1. And they were like, no, 50p. And my mum was like, no, sorry, because everyone wants everything next to nothing, but it's like, you're already selling it for next to nothing. Like, you're trying to make a bit of money, just, you know what I mean? And then me and my mum started seeing to someone else, and they just took them. So my mum went hunting them down, because that's the type of person she is, but she couldn't find them. But we just put 10 in petrol. I made like over £100, which is really, really good, because that is what I wanted to achieve. My goal was 80, but I've definitely got over 80, because I have like I've definitely got over 100, because I've got like 85 in notes, and then I've got all these pound coins in here. I've got absolutely tons. So I definitely say, if your stuff isn't selling on like Depop or Vinted, just go have a car boot sale. Like, they're literally so underrated, I think. And I feel like if you get there early, oh my god, I have so many pound coins. People get there early and get loads of bargains and stuff, and some of the stuff my mum comes back with, because I've just grown up going to them, my mum's always gone to them, some of the stuff she comes back with, oh my god, it's unreal. And I saw some people get like designer, like all vintage stuff. I'd love to be able to get some stuff like that, so I feel like I want to start going to more of them. But at the beginning there was this guy, and he wanted, what did he want? He wanted something, like, you've got to expect to have rude people, because honestly they're so rude, some of them. So this guy asked me, kid you not, over 7 times about this price, and each time I kept saying no. And I think I told you guys, my mum was like, listen, can you go away please? She's a young girl trying to make some money, and you're trying to pressurise her. Can you just go away or stop asking? And then he asked again, and my mum was like, right, listen, we've had enough now, go away. But I wish I had the nerve and, you know, the confidence to do that, but I'm just too nice, and I hate that. But look at all these pound coins. My belly's rumbling. But look at all these that I have to count. They'll be going in my savings jar. But honestly, you should really do a car boot if you've just got stuff. I'm going to tell you what the stuff that people look for, like what you make the most money off. So it's like, you make the most money off like home stuff. But me and my mum always have a lot of home stuff. Candles, people love candles, people love perfume, and people love like little gift sets and little knickknacks. I'm going to say the thing that doesn't sell, the thing that sells the least is probably clothes and butts. But if you get like hangers and stuff for the clothes and hang them up, or you actually bother and like neatly put them out. I sold so much clothes, but I brought all my sister's stuff, and we put that out first, you know, for people to see and stuff. And literally no one bought any of my sister's stuff, which I feel really bad for. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. It genuinely means the world to me. If you haven't already, subscribe, because it would absolutely mean the most to me. And yeah, let me know down below in the comments if I should do this, but obviously not sell, and just go around looking and give you more of an insight. I feel like this video was more of an insight into selling on a car boot sale, and this video was something kind of different, kind of fun, kind of fresh for me. So let me know if you've enjoyed this video. I'm very sorry it's only been short, but I will see you on Wednesday for another video. Bye!